Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing good today. Today I am going to show you how I made this simple high-low chiffon top. If you're new on this channel, thank you for stopping to watch. Please subscribe, like and share. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Please like, share and drop your comments. Alright guys, let's get to it. This fabric is chiffon and I'm using 3 yards of fabric, and like you know, the length is 60 inches. So I have folded this fabric into two, following the length this way. So what I have from this folded part to here is 30 inches, and what I have from this top part down is 3 yards of fabric. I hope you understand. So after folding it into two this way, you're going to determine the length of the front. I want the length of the front to be about 31 inches. I'm going to use 1 inch as hem allowance, so that will be 32 inches. So I'm going to measure 32 inches down. There's my 32 inches here. Now I am going to fold it over like this. So I have folded it. Now if I measure from this folded part down, I should have 32 inches, which is what I have here. To get the length of the back, you're going to measure from this folded part down to the length you want. So for me, I want about 50 inches. Now I'm going to measure 50 inches down plus 1 inch for hemming. All right, that's 51 inches. So after measuring, trim off the excess. Pin this down so that it doesn't move. All right, let's move to the neckline. For the neck width, I'll use 4.5. For the neck depth, I'll use 1 inch for the back, and I'll use 2.5 inches for the front. And then I'll connect it. After that, I'm going to measure the shoulder width. The shoulder width is 16 divided by 2, that is 8. I'll add 1.5, that is 9.5. So I measure 9.5 from the fold. So from here, I am going to measure 8.5. Okay, that is going to be the armhole measurement divided by 2. That is 8.5. Okay, so from here to here is the shoulder width divided by 2 plus 1.5. And from here to here is the arm side divided by 2. Now, I'm going to get the midpoint of the armhole line. That's going to be 4.25. And then I'm going to come down by about 1/4 of an inch. That's 1/4. And curve it. That is all for the top part. Now I am going to cut the back neckline first. And then I'm going to cut the armhole line. So I've cut the back neckline and the armhole. Now I'm going to open up the fabric this way. You try and align it. When you're making yours, please ensure to pin. So for the front neckline, remember that I used 2.5 inches. Let me trace it out. Now I'm going to cut out the front neck depth. Okay, so that is all. Now I'll open it up for you to see. So the last thing I'm going to do is to use the bias tape for the armhole. And then for the neckline, I have two options. I can cut a facing or I can use the bias tape. And then after that, you're going to hem all the edges, the sides and the bottom parts, and then that will be all. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like, share and subscribe. and please turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on subsequent tutorials. Till we see again next time, please take care of yourself. Bye.